What's going on, guys? We're getting into move of the week number 2. This week, it's going to be the tornado spin. So I'm going to demonstrate and then I'm going to break it down. It's going to look like this. So let's go ahead and break it down. The tornado spin can actually be broken down into 2 simple steps. Your eagle spread, all right, your turnout, and this turn in, right? Toes in. So you can actually practice this on carpet, practice here, open up your hips, right? And turn in position. Hold this, get comfortable here, kick your heels out a little bit more. I would suggest starting off with both feet on the ground. All I'm doing is rotating around on my toe and then my heel, toe and then my heel, and really use your momentum and put that weight on your edges so that you curve. When you're performing this move, there's actually only one foot at a time, moving at a time. So if you watch, my red skate is the one going out. Now my blue one's the one coming in, and then out, in, out, in, out. In.